Everyone loves Maggi. Did you know apart from being loaded with sodium, it is double deep fried? Let's make healthy quinoa or whole wheat pasta. Boil 4 cups of water with 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Once boiling, add 100 grams uncooked pasta. Once almost done, drain water, coat pasta with olive oil to avoid sticking. For red pasta sauce, take 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Saute 1 large onion, 1 red capsicum, add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon each of oregano, thyme and basil, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and chili flakes, add 8 tomatoes, 200 ml Tetra Pak tomato puree, 10 cloves of garlic, cook on low flame for 10 minutes, cool and blend. I blend it so that children don't fuss about veggies. This sauce will be enough for 4 servings. Extra can be refrigerated for up to 1 week and freezed, can be thickened and used as pizza sauce. To make pasta, add a portion of sauce to pan, add boiled pasta, cook for 2 minutes, top it with grated mozzarella cheese and pizza seasonings. Enjoy.